Here I have Dongfeng Box and let me show you how to use custom mode on this device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here let's open the apps icon, and as you can see, you've got access to all applications of your car, and one of them is profile. Let's tap profile. As you can see, you can use one of preset profiles, but you can also use the custom mode. So if you use this configuration button, you can edit settings here, and you can set up your custom mode. For example, you can use the AC fan speed, AC temperature, internal and external circulation, air outlet mode. You can turn on AC, turn on front defrost of AC, turn on rear defrost of AC. You can change the ambient light settings, also some other stuff like seating, heating, and seat ventilation. Everything it's customized here, so you can set up your custom mode if you save something. And for example, let me use the seat ventilation and AC temperature, for example, to 22. If I tap confirm, now I just save my custom mode, and I can simply enable this just by tapping here. Custom mode is on and custom mode is off. You can edit anytime this custom mode just by using edit settings, and you can change it, for example, to 20 degrees. Tap confirm, and as previously, custom mode is on, custom mode is off. As simple as that, magic. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.